Today, I'm going to give you 4 reasons why hiring a professional photographer is an absolute must in today's real estate market. And I'm going to show you how to get it all done complimentary. Stay tuned, it's Steve Dooley. Hey, it's Steve here with First Responder Real Estate, where we provide our first responder personnel with important home buying and selling tactics and strategies that they can use. Let's rewind way back to when you bought your first home. It may have been several years ago and, well, things have changed. Perhaps you remember looking at MLS listings that your agent had emailed over to you. Or maybe you're super old like me and you actually looked at listings that were printed out on a piece of paper. Either way, the pics are important. While do-it-yourself is great for some jobs, home selling photography really needs to be done by a professional. Right now, I'm going to give you 3 reasons to hire a professional photographer instead of trying to DIY this job. Stick with me to the end, because if these 3 reasons don't convince you, the last reason will be the nail in the DIY photography coffin. So here's reason number 1. The pros got all the angles. They're professionals for a reason. It's their job to know all the different camera angles and find the certain angles that make your home look its best and shine. You hate it when somebody comes on the scene and you're trying to give medical care and they're telling you how to do your job, right? Or maybe they're on a fire telling you where to squirt the water. Oh wait, that's the chief. Anyway, let's move on to reason number 2. Reason number 2 to hire a professional photographer is that the pros have all the better equipment. While the iPhone 11 Pro is a great camera, professional photographers have even better equipment to make the home look better and enhance the pictures. They got stuff like wide-angle lenses, tripods, portable lighting that they'll bring, and now they even have 360-degree cameras, as well as drones. Buying even some of this equipment can cost you thousands of dollars, and it's just plain impractical. And the 3rd reason you need a professional photographer is that pros can manipulate the lighting with high-tech editing software and cool gadgets you just don't have access to. Okay, let's take a look at a couple of real-life photography examples. These are taken directly from my local MLS, and these were actually on live listings. I challenge you to see if you can tell which one used the professional photographer and which one didn't. Go ahead and leave a comment and let me know which one it is, okay? All right, well, I've given you 3 good reasons to hire a professional photographer, but there's one reason above all others to get professional pics taken for your new home listing. And the number 1 reason to hire a professional photographer is everyone is searching for homes online. So all this information is basically taken from the National Association of Realtors, and they conduct surveys and reports. This one was done in August of 2019. And as you can see here, 93% of all search was done online on websites. This slide shows all the different age groups, and obviously the younger people do it more, but large populations of adults and even the boomers are getting in on the online search. And that leads right into this slide, again showing that, yeah, the ages 73 to 93 or less, but over 90% of the population is still searching on the internet to find their new homes. And why is this important? Well, out of all those people, 87% found photos very useful. That's why it's important. The first impression people get of your property that you have for sale is a 90% chance that it's going to be an online photo or video that they're looking at. That's the first thing they're going to see as far as it comes to your house before they even drive over there and look at it in person. Now, here's also a few more supporting statistics on why professional photography is important. Like I mentioned, 90% of all internet search is done online. Buyers are ranking photographs as the number 1 most important feature on online websites as far as searching for homes. Out of all the MLS listings out there, homes that had professional photography done got 61% more views and more showings. If that statistic doesn't do it for you, I don't know. And this stat came from Redfin. Professionally photographed listings got between $934 and $18,819 more dollars on the price point. And here's just a couple more fun facts. Potential home buyers spend an average of 55 minutes per day on real estate home search sites. And about 69% of people think that searching around for homes online is fun. And those both are from Google research. So the bottom line here is that if you decide to take the pics yourself, you'll be potentially giving up thousands of dollars and your home will sit on the market longer. And if your realtor even mentions shooting the pics themselves using their iPhone, then run away fast. Now remember, I told you at the beginning of this video, I was going to show you how you could get professional photography done at no cost or complimentary. A truly professional real estate agent will offer this service to be covered. I always do this as a standard practice for all my clients. And honestly, it should be an industry standard if it isn't already. Now, the best tip I can give you here as far as getting the professional photography done complimentary, before you sign any listing agreement with an agent, when you're interviewing them, be sure to ask them if professional photography is included in their listing package. And if they balk at that at all, use another agent. There are plenty of awesome agents out there on the listing side that are more than happy, and like me, just use it as a standard of practice to include professional photography. Because after all, that is our job, is to market your property, starting with the pics. So hopefully now you understand the value and the importance of hiring a professional photographer to take care of your listing pictures. And I've given you a little bonus tip on how you can get it all done for free or as part of your listing package with your agent. So watch the next video in this series where I show you yet another thing that first responders can do to maximize their profit and sell their homes quickly. Thanks for watching.